Well, absolutely. December sales seems to be quite a robust month for the auto sales company, and like we have been flagging off, they do expect a double-digit growth all across the segment. But this time around, the commercial vehicle companies as well as the two-wheelers companies have surprised positively, and the numbers were way above to what we were expecting at ET. Now, on your screen, we have that scorecard because you can see companies like Hero MotoCorp, TVS, Escorts, they have done very well. But for most of the other companies, the set wasn't disappointing at all, or rather no company posted a number below the estimates. With respect to the commentary as well, we have seen companies from the likes of Tata Motors CV coming out with a positive commentary for Q4 as well, while most of the companies do expect a sustained growth momentum. Let's talk about the passenger vehicle industry then, because all across the board we have seen a double-digit growth, but it's Hyundai that has seen a jump of just 7%. The numbers were a tad below versus the estimates, but nothing to be perturbed about. 58,702 units is what the company has reported in the month gone by. Now, when it comes to the commercial vehicle industry, a double-digit growth and a jump of 25 to 27% in their sales data on a YOY basis is what we have registered. Yes, the commercial vehicle industry did not show quite a growth just after that GST rate cuts, but all across the last few months, we have seen very good set of numbers coming in. And like I told you, Tata Motors still expects Q4 numbers to be quite very good. Now let's talk about the two-wheeler pack, because TVS Motors and Hero MotoCorp did come out with their numbers post-market, wherein for TVS Motors, the sales stands at 4.8 lakhs versus Hero MotoCorp, where the sales stood at 4.6 lakhs in the month gone by, and both the numbers were way above to what we were expecting. And look at the jump on a YY basis. It's a 40 and 50% growth is what these companies have registered. And lastly, from the tractor companies, though they expect the sales momentum to continue in the times ahead, December generally is quite a low month or a seasonally weak month for the tractor companies, but they have performed better versus the estimates, and it's a 38 and 39% growth on a YY basis is what these companies have registered. So all across the board, we have seen very good set of numbers coming in from the auto sales.